What is the greatest mystery of the human species? What is unknown power inside each of us? What is actually in the inner chest, in which we keep the most precious legacy of our species, and each of us as well? When we became incarnate, each of us received a divine gift, a power like no other elsewhere in the universe, in the seen, or the unseen. That gift is love. That infinite power of materialization of all that we desire to accomplish is love. That inner state of ecstasy, that state in which we know the whole, in which we understand the whole and be in the principles of the whole, is love. Love is the natural frequency of life. We look for her everywhere. We invent all kinds of dogmas, value systems, rituals to find it, know it, and live it. All this is of no use to us because love is the divine source within us, in our heart, in every composition of our body and mind. Love springs from the altar of the eternal temple in our hearts, and fills the entire space around us. Stop looking for love. Sit in the peace of being, and sip from the nectar of the source of love. You will not find it anywhere outside of you, until you live it inside you. Only then will you be able to recognize it everywhere. Now you can't feel it, and you can't see it, you can't touch it, you can't smell it, you can't taste it, you can't hear its sacred sound, you can't live it because you don't know what it is. Only after you sip it inside you, will you live it everywhere, wherever you are. Only then will you be able to touch it, taste it, listen to it, see it, only then will you feel its sacred perfume. Only then will you know, and understand what love is. Love reverberates all around you. Love is the essence of life, the miracle of life, the sacred sound of life, the fragrance of the surrounding nature, the taste of the universe, the comfort of infinity. Love is the divine light. Create from all this a world of love. It is in your power to do it. You have received the infinite power of love to create the humanity of love. Each of us has received this divine gift, and each of us can activate it. Each of us can stop the noises of the mind, and is only on the frequency of love. Our ancestors gave us two coordinates, Shambhala and Agartha. We still do not know what deep meanings these two concepts have, and we don't know what they are yet. This information that is more than 50 millennia old has come down to us in the compilations we use today, but do we really know what it is? What does it represent? What do they contain? Do they exist in materiality, or are they just invisible branches of the spirit? One day the haze will rise, and the unseen, the unknown, the intangible will become seen, known, tangible. Being in love and through love, we will discover, understand, and become aware of the whole eras of our wise ancestors.